Hi there, I'm Greg with Dapwood Furniture, and we're going to put together the Cirrus Sky. So first of all, step one, lay out and identify all pieces before beginning. So we have the cross pieces. I know these are cross pieces because there's holes in them for the center support. We have the rails that go along the length of the bed. We have center supports, 3 center supports for this bed. We have the slats that the mattress will sit on. We have braces here for these legs. We have 2 legs basically. We have the corner legs that are up above, and then these are underneath the bed hidden, the Y legs. So we've got all the pieces with some hardware that we'll install, and then a rubber mallet and a screwdriver or just a drill with a Phillips drive bit. So that's step 1. So step 2 is install the shoulder screws into the holes, pre-drilled holes in the cross pieces. So we'll take these out. There's 2 here. You don't want to drive it too deep. You just want the underside of the washer to touch the wood. Alright, so that's step 2. So now step 3, hold one cross piece on the ground on its edge so the shoulder screws are toward the top. So that's going to be like this, upside down, so the shoulder screws are toward the top. Align metal clips of one of the center supports into the mating shoulder screws and pound down with the rubber mallet until flush. So we take one of our center supports. There's 2 ramp openings on the ends, and they fit onto these shoulder screws. So get that just started. Oops. Bumped it. Touch. Then we repeat that with the others. Alright. Align the free ends of all the center supports to the other cross piece and pound down until snug and flush. So I need to move this all up. Put the rail over here. So again, we got this shoulder screws up. These. And so they're all aligned, and then just alright. So now we need to flip the entire assembly over and set it aside. So now identify the top and bottom of corner legs and rails. So again, here are the rails. The top of these is where this ledger strip is toward the top. You can also tell that this little slot here is on the bottom. So it's going to be that way. And same way with this one. And then the legs on the bottom, we will have the number of the order. So that's definitely the bottom. It's actually a little easier to tell. The shoulder screw is near the top, and so that's the top of the leg. All right. So the corner legs onto the ends of the rails. Pound down on rails until snug. So put put this in here. If I can find the mallet. Okay, so now we need to align the shoulder screws on the legs to the metal clips in the ends of the cross pieces. So then we pound down on the cross pieces until snug. So move all this out of the way. So we align these. All right, so that completes number 7. So now we have to flip this whole thing upside down again and install these Y-legs. So we need to put these Y-legs 10 inches from the ends. A tape measure would be helpful. So let me go get that. Thank you. That one is at 10. Install the wood screws into the pilot holes. So you'll see that there's 2 pilot holes on each, one on each side. All right. So install all the Y legs underneath, 10 inches from the ends. And then what we need to do, a cross brace, which are these pieces here. These need to be installed here and here. Finish up putting this brace in. All right. So that ends number 10. Step 11, flip the entire assembly over. Make sure, check all these connections are tight. That's good. Then lay out the strap slat roll. So then lay out it and pull it straight, tight. And the last step is to screw the slats in the first one, the middle one, and the last one. There you go. That's it. In less than 10 minutes, let's say. But thanks.